Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an endless supply of motivation, while others struggle to get out of bed in the morning? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? That's because motivation, that elusive force that propels us forward, is critical in achieving our personal and professional goals. It's the spark that ignites our ambition, the fuel that powers our determination, and the wind that fills the sails of our dreams. Yet for some, this energizing force seems to be in short supply. So what sets these perpetually motivated individuals apart? How do they manage to stay driven and focused, even when faced with challenges and setbacks? Is it a unique trait, or can it be learned and cultivated? Today, we will uncover 10 practical ways to boost your motivation and crush your goals. So buckle up and get ready to ignite your motivation like never before. First, set clear, achievable goals. Let's dive into why this is crucial. Clear goals act as your roadmap, your GPS navigating you through the journey of success. They give you a destination and direction. Now imagine setting off on a road trip without a destination in mind. Sounds adventurous, right? But soon you find yourself lost, confused, and wasting precious fuel. Similarly, without clear goals, our actions lack purpose and direction. We end up drifting aimlessly, wasting our most valuable resources, time and energy. So, how do we set clear goals? Start by asking yourself, what do I want to achieve? Be specific, be realistic, but don't be afraid to dream big. Then break down this big goal into smaller, manageable tasks. This way, you're not just dreaming, you're doing. And last but not least, write your goals down. Make them real, make them tangible. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Second, break down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Think of it as a journey. You don't embark on a 1,000-mile road trip without a map, right? So why would you approach your life goals any differently? Large goals can be like towering mountains, seemingly insurmountable and intimidating. But remember, even the highest peak is climbed step by step. By breaking down these intimidating goals into smaller, tangible tasks, you create your own roadmap to success. Each small task becomes a stepping stone, leading you closer to your ultimate goal. It's like eating an elephant. You do it one bite at a time. This method not only makes your goal seem less daunting, but it also provides a clear path forward. And with each small task you complete, you'll feel a sense of achievement, boosting your motivation to keep going. Remember, small victories lead to big successes. Third, visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can kick your motivation into overdrive. It might sound a bit mystical, but it's backed by science. When you imagine achieving your goals and the joy that comes with it, your brain releases dopamine. This feel-good neurotransmitter makes you feel happy, motivated, and more eager to work towards your goals. Think of it this way: your mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. When you visualize your success, your brain believes it's already happening. This conviction strengthens your belief in your ability to achieve the goal, making the journey towards it feel more real and attainable. So, close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself achieving that goal. Feel the joy, the excitement, the satisfaction. Hold on to that feeling. Let it fuel your determination and drive. This is the power of visualization. See it, believe it, achieve it. Fourth, surround yourself with positivity. The environment you're in and the people you interact with significantly influence your mood, mindset, and ultimately your motivation. Imagine a garden. A plant thrives in fertile soil with ample sunlight and water. The same principle applies to us. We flourish in an atmosphere that nurtures positivity, encouragement, and inspiration. Positive people radiate energy that is infectious. They inspire us, push us to our limits, and cheer us on as we chase our goals. They are the sunlight that helps us grow. Similarly, a positive environment is our fertile soil. It's a place that supports our growth, encourages our endeavors, and celebrates our achievements. So, make a conscious effort to foster positivity in your life. Engage with optimistic individuals who uplift you, and cultivate an environment that fuels your motivation. Remember, negativity drains energy and hampers progress, while positivity propels us forward. Positivity breeds success. Fifth, use failure as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Now, this might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out. No one enjoys failure, it's disappointing and can often be disheartening. But what if we shift our perspective? What if we see failure not as a dead end, but as a guide pointing us in the right direction? Consider this. Each time we fail, we glean valuable insights. We learn what doesn't work, which brings us a step closer to discovering what does. It's about embracing the process of trial and error. It's about understanding that the path to success is paved with the stones of failure. Remember, even the most successful individuals have faced numerous failures in their journey, but they didn't let it deter them. Instead, they used it as fuel, as motivation to keep moving forward. So, let's reframe our mindset and view failure as a teacher, a mentor guiding us towards our ultimate goal. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Sixth, celebrate your small wins. This is an invaluable piece of advice. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Small wins are the stepping stones on your journey towards achieving larger goals. Each time you accomplish a minor task or reach a minor milestone, take a moment to acknowledge your progress. This not only boosts your morale but also reinforces your self-belief. It's a reminder that you're moving in the right direction, that you're one step closer to your ultimate goal. Consider this. The process of building a house begins with laying a single brick. Each brick that's laid is a small win, leading to the completion of the house. Similarly, every small task you complete in pursuit of your goal, every minor milestone you achieve is like laying a brick. So, take pride in your small wins, celebrate them. They are tangible proof of your progress and commitment to your goal. Remember, every step forward is a step towards success. Scene script. Seventh, stay organized. The path to achieving your goals can often seem cluttered with tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities. Amidst this chaos, it's easy to lose track of your progress and become overwhelmed. But there's a simple antidote to this confusion: organization. By keeping your tasks, schedules, and goals neatly arranged, you can gain a clear overview of your path, boosting your motivation. Think of organization as your personal roadmap. It shows you where you are, the distance you've covered, and the path you still need to tread. With a well-organized system, you can track your progress, prioritize tasks, and manage your time efficiently. Each ticked box, each crossed-off task, each achieved mini-goal can serve as a motivator, a testament to your progress. Moreover, an organized approach prevents unnecessary stress and anxiety, leaving more room for creativity and productivity. So remember, whether it's a project, a dream, or a daily routine, organization is the key to efficiency. Eighth, keep learning. This might be the most powerful tip yet, and here's why. The journey to achieving your goals is not just about the destination, it's also about the process, the growth, and the transformation that occurs along the way. And what better way to grow than to keep learning? Continuous learning keeps your mind sharp. It fuels your creativity and stimulates curiosity. It opens up new pathways, introduces novel ideas, and leads to innovation. It equips you with the tools and skills necessary to overcome obstacles and challenges. So, how do you incorporate continuous learning into your life? You could read books, take online courses, attend webinars, or even just listen to a podcast. Remember, every day presents an opportunity to learn something new, and every new thing you learn is another step closer to your goal. Embrace the journey of learning, and you'll find that it's not just your goals that are transformed, but you as a person. Knowledge is power. Knowledge. Ninth, stay healthy. It's a well-known fact that physical health and mental health are deeply interconnected. This connection extends to motivation as well. When you're physically fit, your body is more capable of handling stress, and you're more likely to have a positive outlook, both of which are key to maintaining motivation. Physical activity, even in moderate amounts, releases endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. These endorphins not only make you feel good, but they also help you maintain a clear and focused mind. This clarity and focus are crucial when you're working towards your goals. Eating a balanced diet also plays a significant role in maintaining physical health and, by extension, motivation. Nutrient-rich foods provide the energy your body and brain need to function optimally. When your body is well nourished, you're better equipped to tackle challenges and stay motivated. Don't forget to get adequate rest. A well-rested mind is a motivated mind. Remember, a healthy body houses a healthy mind. Lastly, be patient. Yes, you heard it right. Patience is indeed a virtue that is often overlooked in the pursuit of our objectives. It's essential to remember that success is not a sprint, it's a marathon, a journey that demands persistence, resilience, and most importantly, patience. In the face of our fast-paced, instant gratification society, we often forget that real achievements, the ones that truly matter, take time. They require us to sow the seeds of hard work, nurture them with consistency, and wait for the right moment to harvest the rewards. We must understand that Rome wasn't built in a day. The world's most influential leaders, the greatest athletes, the most successful entrepreneurs, they all have one thing in common. They understood the power of patience. Remember, the secret to success lies not in rushing through the journey, but in embracing every step of it with patience. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. So there you have it, 10 practical tips to boost your motivation and crush your goals. Let's take a quick recap. First, set clear, actionable goals. Then, break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. Visualize your success, make it real in your mind. Surround yourself with positivity, let it fuel your journey. Don't fear failure. Instead, use it as a stepping stone towards your success. Remember to celebrate your small wins. They are milestones on your path to achievement. Stay organized. A clutter-free environment leads to a clutter-free mind. Keep learning. Never stop growing. Your health is your wealth. Take care of it. And lastly, be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today. You have the power to achieve your dreams, to crush your goals. Start today, and remember, the only limit to your success is you.